make it a quick and easy pot pie recipe. It's not very many ingredients. You can make this quick for your family. That way you get you a quick dinner and everybody eats it. It's pretty good.
Always try the meat.
First off, you want to take it takes one chicken breast and you dice it up into little slices, little minis, and you scramble it. You can put salt, pepper, whatever flavor you want to put in there. You can put in there, and once it's done, you just set it to the side. That's kind of what it looks like. The chicken that I diced up, and then you got another ingredient. You got one can of mixed vegetables. We're gonna go ahead and put her in the bowl. 1 can of mixed vegetables. Dump that in there, and then we're going to add in 1 can of cream of celery.
Pour it in and then tap it to make it. Superman! Back!
Okay, sorry about this mix up, but the can thing came off, but we're back. We're going to empty this 1 can in here. Just kind of stick to the can. But there's 1 can of cream of celery. Put that in there.
I don't like
and hold this. Hold this. And then when you get down there, you take some chicken broth. You can use water, but you just want to fill up your can of the can you use. Put some chicken broth inside of it. Kind of help get a little bit more of that out of there, and then you pour it into the thing. And then you stir it. Okay, start stirring it up. All right, we stir it up. You stir it. You can add less if you want to add less. You don't have to add as much. You can add less, you can add more, I guess however you want your sauce. And then you can add the chicken to it too as well. So you want to add the chicken in there. And then you want to stir.
Chicken pot pie.
You don't want to make too much of a mess because we don't want it splashing all over the place. But that's pretty much the whole gist of everything. I'm not going to add any seasoning on camera, but you can add salt and pepper or whatever you want to put in here. You can add it. It'll, whatever flavor you want. You want some spicy, you want no spice, you want a bunch of spice, however you want to do it. You can put whatever you want in there. You can some onions or whatever you want to. The recipe is pretty quick and easy. And then pretty much, you put it in the oven. So we're done with this part. Maybe stir it a little bit more.
Oh.
I'm making a mess too.
Yeah, like you did on the last video when you spilled that.
Oh yeah, I did make a mess. Then you want to pour it into your pie crust.
Like the last
You want to bake your pie crust for like 5 minutes before you use it. So you want to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes maybe. I got too much juice. I took a little some of that out of there. Don't use too much juice. Get some more of this chicken in there. Go get some chicken.
Yes. Get more of that.
You want to spread it around. Make sure it's even. Like I said, you can add, all the seasoning you want. And then you buy one of these rolls of crust that is already rolled up. You just take it, pretty much, unroll it, unroll the crust. I'm not doing a great job of unrolling it.
Yeah.
It's not unrolling it really smoothly.
Yeah,
but
not really.
Once you get it unrolled,
yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Put that on top of your pie like that, pretty easy. You want to press the ends down so that it's together. And then you break off the excess because you don't need all the dough. It's a little too long, so you want to break it off.
I eat this.
It's not done. It's just dough. You don't want it's not going to taste good.
It don't taste good.
I don't know why you want to taste it, but you can. And then once you get done with the dough, you take a fork and you press the ends of it with a fork. And then once that's done, pretty much you put it in the oven on 375 for about an hour. And then we'll come back and show you how delicious it is when we get done. And we'll see you here in a minute.
Right.
We're back with the chicken pot pie. We're going to do the taste test. It's out the oven. It's a little bit warm. You want to let it cool down for about an hour.
Yep.
You want to cook it for about an hour on like 375 till it's done. So we're going to Kylo do the taste test, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, it's kind of warm, so be careful. All right. All right. All right, we take a little longer to put it in there. All right. All right, we eating it. All right, so Kylo gives the thumbs up, so that means the pot pie is really good because he don't eat nothing. So we're gonna take his word for it. And we're done with the pot pie.
Don't
Nice
tell
and
him
quick
that.
recipe, and it is delicious. All right, we'll see you next time, people, or folks, guys, everybody out there. Bye bye.
Bye.